Hello, welcome. We have cow. We are in cow kitchen and cow customer. They love the food. Suda is here and everybody's here. We have our customer here. They like our food. Yes, they want to talk about. Yeah, how was the food?
Good.
Good, very good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And bang chicken, what?
Nah.
Are you coming back again?
No.
Yeah.
That's the best bang bang chicken of the town. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
What did you like, Mom?
Mom.
What did you like the most?
Food was absolutely beautiful. Been in Cow before, fabulous. And been in O'Connell's tonight, had beautiful hot chicken wings, fabulous. So
Lovely.
come here, you know what I mean. This is the place to be in Mallow.
Lovely. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
And
You're
we always
welcome.
come
You're welcome.
in the house, enjoy. Amy's here. Bye. Oh, welcome. Like, yeah. Thank you very much. Oh, bang chicken. Oh, look at that.